car makes me feel like I'm the coolest kid on the block. When I was a kid, I was obsessed with Hot Wheels cars. I used to have hundreds, just collected them all. The one that always used to catch my eye was the 300. And I never thought that, I never thought I'd be pursuing one in real life when I was a kid. But it just so happened that I grew up under bad influences from my dad. I got into cars and I ended up finding one of these. And it's awesome. The car is a Datsun / Nissan 300ZX. The body chassis designation is Z31. It's actually a short wheelbase model, which is really rare over here in the UK because we never got that model. That's only something that you can have from Japan or from the States. This model is only the NA VG30E, which is a V6 engine, pretty lazy, but it gets the job done and it sounds absolutely gorgeous. In total, I think it probably took me about 2 years to finish it. It was a depressing story. It was so much rust, so much neglect. The undercarriage of the whole car was just completely shot. There was holes in places there should not be holes, but grinded everything back, cut everything out, fresh metal got welded in. But yeah, once that was all done, it was a case of just putting everything back together, making sure that there's no rust anywhere. Polyurethane bushes went inside the vehicle, made sure that everything was torqued up to the proper settings, new bolts if it needed it. But we got there in the end, with a lot of hard work from myself, a lot of hard work from my friends, and huge support from my girlfriend and from my family as well. Every time I'm out in it, I just can't help but, just smile. It's just an awesome place to be.